We, humans, are a creative bunch. We don't stop developing amazing inventions to make our lives easier. These inventions change our world for good by filling the gap between our expectations and the available product and making our everyday activities easier. This video will look into 7 mind-blowing inventions that will surely leave you speechless. Stick around to know them. Number 7. XEV YOYO. This invention is the 3D printed electric city car. As you see it, it is manufactured by Italian, Hong Kong-based startup XEV. The company designed this car using only 57 components. The only parts not 3D printed are the seats, chassis, and glass components. The YOYO packs everything you need into the smallest possible area, making it the ideal urban companion. XEV designed the car to be iconic in a way to be immediately recognized with a modern, distinctive identity. This electric city car also provides clean and efficient transport and can be charged anywhere you find a plug. If you are the type that finds charging a hassle, there are battery swapping stations where you can have your YOYO battery swapped within minutes, and you will have a fresh set of installed batteries. The company combines unique details and textures to make different color ranges for you to pick the ones you like. It also features a keyless entry that gives you easy access to the car. You can also keep track of your vehicle anywhere with the app specially designed for the purpose. More so, the interior was designed to ensure maximum space for you. But despite that, the interior, there is also a trunk where you can pack your shopping items whenever you go on a shopping trip or even to your gym. With all these immense attributes, the car sells for Euro 12,690. Number 6. Capra Robotics. Capra Hercus is an outdoor mobile robot designed to carry different loads easily. It is created to provide people with cutting-edge, dependable mobility for their applications. Due to its flexible chassis and large engine power, this maneuverable robot can be used for different types of tasks in rural as well as urban areas. It therefore answers the issues which have been troubling the mobile robot industry for a long time, which are poor driving capabilities, a lack of versatility, low operating time, and short ranges. This robot has a direct interface to its ROS 2 operating system, making it easy to connect additional equipment. It is also possible to automatically control the robot to a target through the built-in remote connection. The robot possesses high agility due to the unique and patented wheel frame it has and a small turning radius. This feature enables it to navigate tight spaces without any hassle. The wheel frame also has a novel suspension system that allows the robot to climb curbs in challenging environments effortlessly. It can drive on any surface, including uneven ground, sand, or even stones. So this robot is the perfect companion for outdoor use, helping you carry all your heavy loads without any problem. Number 5. Tec-Innovation InnoMake. InnoMake is a smart shoe developed to make everyday life easier for blind and visually impaired people by sending vibrations to the wearer to avoid obstacles. The warning system built into the shoe includes a sensor for detecting foot movements, distance sensors, a vibration unit, a processing unit, an ultra-bright LED, and a wireless connection to a smartphone. This ultrasonic sensor and a battery are mounted in a water and dust-resistant casing in front of the shoe. When obstacles are detected, the warning system provides pre-selected feedback. This feedback can be vibration, as we have said, or acoustic and visual signs. The vibration feedback is provided through a smartphone and, if required, through headphones to not drown out environmental noises. This smart shield can detect potential obstacles up to 4 meters before the person. Moreover, it had LEDs on each sensor that flashed whenever an obstacle was ahead. The Austrian company, Tec-Innovation, created this product, selling for $3,840. Number 4. Bridgestone Airfree tires. Bridgestone came up with a brilliant idea of an airless tire that features a unique spoke structure to support a vehicle's weight. This tire eliminates the need to refill them with air periodically. You will never worry about your tire leaking because non-pneumatic tires have no air to leak. For most drivers, these features will sound nothing short but revolutionary. You won't worry about a flat tire if you run over a sharp object on the road because tires without air can't go flat. Another immense advantage of this tire is that you won't need any spare tire. Spare tires are needed in the advent of any flat tire, so if there is no flat tire, then there is no need for any spare tire. This feature will free up trunk space. No spare tire means less weight, which means better fuel economy. Besides these, Bridgestone airless tires offer some advantages to trucks in industrial applications. In the farming, construction, or mining industries, tire failure can cause a loss in efficiency and productivity, so tires that can never leak will be welcome, thereby increasing the productivity in those sectors. Number 3. Vrgineer Portable Trainer. The Vrgineer Portable Trainer is a pilot trainer gadget developed in partnership with the U.S. Marine Corps to allow pilots to carry out continuation training events when deployed. This training invention is the perfect solution for mission-critical training, allowing pilots to prepare for deployment. Also, it increases the first-time pass rate, reduces reflights, and eliminates additional training costs and negative training. Made from commercial off-the-shelf components, the gadget is affordable and easy to maintain. The life cycle of the simulator can be further extended as key components can easily be changed while providing the highest level of immersive simulation. It is also easy to reconfigure the trainer to different platforms using a variety of pre-manufactured controllers. It comes with a smart fastener system that allows for smooth transformation between helicopters and jet fighters. This trainer comes with an adjustable seat that provides vibration force feedback for rolling takeoffs, taxiing, rumbling, stall effect, flap movement, etc. The trainer can also be operated in 3 different positions for different aircraft types. It employs the VR CTAL headset designed in partnership with the U.S. Navy for multi-crew training. The headset has a market-leading 180-degree field of view, an 8K resolution that offers extreme clarity and built-in eye and hand tracking software for data analysis. Number 2. TST-14J Bonusjet. The TST-14J is a 2-seat touring sailplane built by Test in the Czech Republic. It is a modification of the TST-14 motor glider with an additional retractable jet engine used for self-launching. The plane has a high T-tail and a mid-wing design with tapered wings. The tailplane carries a single-piece elevator and a tail wheel with spade main wheels on fuselage-mounted sprung cantilever legs. It features a one-touch engine extension and retraction, 1,000-plus feet climb with 2 people, a comfortable best climb speed of 75 knots, and an engine extension glove of 28. 1. No soaring motor glider can outclimb the Bonusjet. The Bonusjet will safely launch 2 people from the highest mountain airport without vibrating 2-stroke engines or propellers. The jet's climb and cruise are always so smooth. With no messy oil mixing or gas pumping, Bonusjet has overwing fill ports, and its TJ100 engine runs on straight Jet A fuel. Bob Carlton tested the prototype of the plane, an experienced jet-powered glider pilot, and it is available for a massive $185,000. Number 1. Sunswift 7. This solar car is one of the best and most unique innovations ever. Built by University of New South Wales engineering students, Sunswift 7 attempted a Guinness World Record as the fastest solar-powered race car to race over 1,000 kilometers. The solar-powered car went on a test track, running 1,000 kilometers on a single charge in under 12 hours. This achievement on a test track in southern Australia represents the longest distance ever traveled by an electric vehicle on a single charge and surpassed Lucid Air Dream Edition, which has an impressive range of 520 miles. The Sunswift 7 is powered entirely by solar energy without fossil fuel. It has over 6 square meters of photovoltaic cells, which convert sunlight into electricity to power the car. It also has a small battery pack that stores excess energy when the sun is not shining. The car weighs 500 kilograms, a quarter of a Tesla EV, but some features were stripped off to reach this low weight, such as air conditioning and airbag systems. Apart from that, the Sunswift 7 features excellent efficiencies thanks to its aerodynamic design. It had a hand-laid one-off carbon fiber floor pan and bodywork panels. The team behind this car manufacturer spent 4 years developing and refining the vehicle to create a practical and efficient EV that could serve as a viable alternative to fossil fuel-powered vehicles. It was developed under the auspices of ex-Red Bull F. One head of operations, Richard Hopkins, and designed well with support from companies like IBM, Audi, and Bilstein. The car had a 38 kWh battery that could last 932 miles without recharging. In addition to setting the record for the longest distance traveled on a single charge, the Sunswift 7 also holds the record for the fastest solar-powered car reaching a top speed of over 62 miles per hour. This incredible achievement is particularly significant given the increasing global focus on reducing reliance on fossil fuels and finding more sustainable alternatives for transportation. And that is it. Today's technology is evolving rapidly, which enables faster change and progress. Things are changing every day and at the same time, getting better. Let's know your positive thoughts on these inventions. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks.